The states continue to roll out the COVID-19 vaccine. Some clinics say they haven't seen a single vial. Virginia's distributing vaccine based on population. Health clinics like the Health Wagon in Wise County say the state's forgetting about those who are considered to be part of the vulnerable population. And many have not even received their first dose, even though they're eligible. Febin Cassahoon explains her story, new at 6.
The Health Wagon is a free clinic here in Southwest Virginia, serving the sickest and poorest populations, and it hasn't received any of the COVID-19 vaccines. Now, health leaders in the Commonwealth are working to fast-track the response for COVID-19 vaccine requests.
I wanted to be a voice for the people here because we thought we need to be a priority population. I mean, the vaccine needs to go here.
Dr. Teresa Tyson says the Health Wagon hasn't received a single vial of the vaccine, which concerns her.
Often you have some of the sickest individuals in the state in the rural areas. We are the medical home to over 5,600 individuals. We had close to 24,000 patient encounters last year.
With more than 500 people on a wait list to be vaccinated, she's contacted state health officials like Dr. Danny Avula. He says some of Southwest Virginia is actually doing better with vaccinations than other parts of the state.
Places like Wise County have had 14,000 per 100,000, so almost 14% of the population that has received a vaccine to that point. There are places in other parts of Virginia that are down at that 2 and 3%.
Dr. Avula says health officials are trying to find other ways to increase vaccine supply, like activating Part 2 of the Federal Pharmacy Partnership.
There's so many people who are eligible and who want to be vaccinated and just can't be. We need to recognize that is a result of a really limited supply from the federal government. And as soon as that opens up, we'll make sure that every part of Virginia gets more.
But Dr. Tyson fears enough isn't being done to protect her patients.
When you're a healthcare provider like I am and you're seeing people die, then time is of the essence. Every day that we go without getting this vaccine for our people here is a day that people, they die.
In Wise County, Virginia, Febin Cassahoon, News Channel 11.